Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have turkey leg, broccoli, corn, white rice, and then we have some Dame Dash sauce. Yes, this is Dame Dash sauce. You guys know that's my favorite. Now, I don't have this sauce in every video, but I have it today, dog. Don't bother with the fuckeries, Richie. Stop. He said he's not talking today, guys. I'm not with it. So we decided to have some turkey leg. Honey, you know what? No, that's not fair. I have a ginger ale over here. And saying not chat family. So
family, how y'all doing? Before we get so far in the video, don't forget, if you're right now, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Come join the family. You know what I'm saying? Come join the family. But yeah, I want to eat, family. I'm hungry. It's been a long day.
Yeah, he had a long day at work.
I'm hungry.
Sauce is busting. And this was requested by Richie. This meal. Crazy. He asked me to make it.
Yep. I see you was looking at that. I'm not gonna bang, get back. Get back. Get that.
It's hot.
Here, take one first. Take one for the team. Alright, good. That's all. That little bite. Woo!
Ooh. Oh, you know what? You have a napkin, honey?
On it, right? That's thinking.
Now, all Richie wanted was turkey leg, nothing else. I said, we can't come on the channel and then I'm supposed to turkey leg. I mean, we can.
Straight like that.
But it gotta look pretty. You know, I'm a woman, so everything has to be aesthetically pleasing to me.
Watch your face.
God damn.
Sorry. Show them the sauce.
Every time someone a turkey leg, every time we eat turkey leg, it reminds us of, and I'm speaking for Richie as well, because I know it does. Universal. Universal is fun, but it's too expensive. They tripping. I can't be bothered. Bop.
But I want this so bad. I was craving it.
This turkey leg, when we ate this last time, it's been a while since we ate this, right, honey? It's been a while since we ate this. And
appreciate this meal.
when you have, because I'm not going to finish this, right? So what I do is, the bone, I use it to make soup. Just for me and the kids, them, not for like other people, because obviously I'm biting on it, right? Right. So good. It's really good, guys.
Delicious, Loey.
What you guys been up to? What's today?
Same old thing in the
What's going on today?
The same old thing in the Corona world. The Corona world.
Yeah. You saw? Dripping all of them.
It's so hot.
Yeah, man.
Right off the stove.
Hot time.
Very hot, very
Hot man.
Very hot. 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 Ramen, it's hot.
Oh!
Only Only if you can see the steam.
Ooh.
Stop.
How much time?
She's gonna, yes.
I'm gonna lie.
She's gonna get the color back in here. Come on, cut it out. They keep arguing. Call her.
Well,
But first they try something. You tell them what's going on?
I want to get some braids. I'm gonna tell you why.
Yeah.
Well, I want to get some braids. Because we're going on vacation no time soon though, but later on down the line. But I want to grow my hair out, so I want to get some braids, so that after my braids are old, I can just cut them out. You know, when I had long hair, I had to cut it all the way to the end and then sit there for hours and take my hair out. I don't have to do that. I just snip, 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 snip at the root.
Yep. What y'all think about that? Run it back.
That's why I'm excited for braids. No more sitting there for hours. Although, I have to sit there for hours to get them put in, but not for hours to take them out.
What y'all think about that?
I feel like I'm not making no dent in this turkey leg, not one.
Big leg.
This turkey leg was $4. This one, which was $5. You go to Universal, you're paying for a turkey leg $20.
Hey, you pick up the biggest one for me.
Yep, I got the small one. And it's still hot, and it's still big.
Wow. Very hot. I wish I could see the steam.
I wonder if they can.
Comment down if y'all can see the steam. Look at the skin.
It's crispy. Ooh, excuse me.
It's delicious. What y'all eating? Why you don't get turkey leg too now? Cut it out. You're not gonna get it. You're not getting it. You're just saying that.
But wait, honey, when I was in the aisle, I mean, like after I had got the turkey leg,
Yeah.
I was on the line checking out. Ooh, bless you.
Yes.
Ah,
Wow.
bless you.
Thank you. Wow. Got seasoning.
He barely sneezes.
That sneezing is that sneezing in. That seasoning hit.
You sneezing in? So the lady in front of me, she had like 4 turkey legs. Yeah. I said, what's going on over here? She doing a mukbang too?
I greedy. She greedy. She do damn greedy family. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Hot, yeah, but it's good.
Richie came home and Richie was like, I'm hungry, I want to eat right now. Thank God everything was ready.
I saved my appetite for this. This I save my appetite for family. Enjoy my mukbang.
My side don't look nowhere now. My side looked just like when I first started this video. That's embarrassing.
You're embarrassing. You got a small amount, eat slow. That's good.
I do eat slow.
This is busting.
Although it's small, it's still big.
Demon dash. Sauce is hitting too.
Yep.
Okay.
Love his sauce.
Yeah. This is good.
Oh my.
He's full.
Oh my.
You're full. The first bite you took out of the turkey leg, you was full. Family, I know. The first bite.
I don't like big meat.
You like big meat?
Just one. You guys know. It just, oh my God, I just look at the food and I'm full. I don't know why.
That's true. I know. When you take that first bite, you're gonna be full. I said, just watch her. Family. I don't know. You want my corn?
I know you're not gonna eat it. You don't have to eat it.
No, I'm gonna leave right here.
It's just for the cause
turkey leg more.
yeah. Okay. If we just have turkey leg here, the video would look saucer. You understand? So.
Turkey legs, huh? Family, that sauce with that rice, oh.
It's a different level.
Yep. Look at that.
A different level.
Different level hitting, man. Excuse me. Universal don't got nothing on first lady turkey leg.
It's good, yo.
Universal again? Anywhere that way? We're cooking that one turkey leg and bring it.
Let's search your bag. Let's search your bag. And not good, honey? Thank you. You can't bring stuff in there.
So we can't bring our own lunch.
Especially what's going on, all these gun violence. They're definitely checking your bag. You need nothing?
Family, how you think I did? Talk to me. Comment down and tell me if I did good.
Maybe better than me.
You think I did a lot?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Enough. Yeah, man. You ain't got enough.
Well, you didn't eat nothing over there. Your broccoli was still there. Nothing.
That's what I'm saying. What happened? I barely gave myself any rice.
You need to go in a contest of eating the slowest person ever.
For real.
The slowest neatest mukbanger. My gosh, you don't win.
The sauce on the turkey leg too tastes real good. I don't know.
You know how I do it, huh?
I don't know how you do it. I saw you about the turkey leg.
So my turkey leg, my young. You like them bite the turkey leg, my young? Go on like them like it, bite them, man.
Yeah, man.
Make them dead.
Those lips, yes, yes. Ooh, ooh.
Turkey leg nice.
Oh God. Excuse me.
Alright. You gonna say this for soup?
Not the way you devour that damn leg.
You don't eat on here.
We can't save that, man.
Man.
That done.
There's enough meat for it. Enough meat for that one.
Oh my gosh.
How do you think I did so far? Okay, thank you. Yes, I did good.
You did real good.
I love turkey. Family. I love turkey, family. I don't know why I love turkey like that. True.
True.
Went from hating turkey to like turkey leg. That's crazy. I'm weird.
They say your taste buds change every 10 years, so.
Family, I went from not liking turkey. I don't eat it like that on Thanksgiving, but I love turkey leg. I'm backward. I stop looking for my money. I ain't looking at family.
Honey,
Wow.
you cute, man.
Thank you. My hairstyle, family.
Oh, God. Oh, Lord.
What color do you think I should get next, family? I'm getting every color. So far I did 4 colors, right? Or 3? 3 colors. I'm getting everything, family. I love what my hair looks like. Excuse me. My first time?
About that time. I'm busting bus. Bus.
I did okay.
Shit.
See?
There's barely any meat on there. Damn, no.
Too hot.
Eat all the way inside. Yeah. It's hot all the way to the end. In the middle.
Cook 165 degrees. Chef talk. Alright, family. My first day to food. Whenever my first day to food, that's it. We don't force my first day to eat no more. You know, the family members know that. But anybody that's new, yeah, I don't force my first day to eat, okay? When first day she's full. That's it. Okay. So now, for the word of the day, for your beautiful people, that's what I got for y'all here.
I am full.
I know.
Okay?
She full.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's what I got for y'all today, family. You know what I'm saying? And you know, the main thing, if y'all could relate, and then y'all can participate. Okay. First lady, family. Not every day will be good, but there will always be something good about every day. Notice these things and celebrate them. Train your mind to see what's right.
Ooh.
Positivity is a choice.
Yes.
So, as I said, if you can relate. If you can participate.
Positivity is a choice.
Yes. If you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. And there you are.
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course. Bye.
Damn, that shit's still hot.
I'm full. Conversation. Tom. No, sir.
Yo, you did not eat one fuck.
I didn't.
You.
I fucking didn't. That's just a lot of fucking food.
You should just have a turkey leg on your side of the
For real, I
food.
I leave you the fucking food. Cause my fucking yai too fucking big.
Yeah, bigger than your belly by you.